Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing for you today. It's a bag that I was thinking about for so long. It's from Chanel again, surprise surprise, and I didn't have this design and this particular shape in my collection, and I'm very excited to have it finally. I was very hesitant about this particular size and the material, but I'm so happy to have it in my collection. It's so beautiful. I can see myself using it on weekends. I recently took it on my trip to Taiwan, Taipei, and if you haven't seen it before, I will add the link to the description box below so you can check it out. And feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Let me know if you have any questions as well. And I'm very surprised how much can fit in this bag. I can probably fit in as many items as I can fit in my medium flap. It's amazing. I also had to change the wallet. I have another unboxing that's coming up. I bought this really cute SLG and I'm so happy with it and I can't recommend it enough. I purchased this bag in Singapore in Marina Bay Sands. I love this boutique. They always have such a great customer service. I still like shopping at Takashimaya, but I feel like my favorite store is at Marina Bay Sands. I still can't believe I purchased a lambskin bag after seeing how badly it can get scuffed. My first bag was boy in lambskin and it just got destroyed. But I also noticed that the quality of lambskin can be different, just like the quality of caviar depends on the season. And that's why I actually went for this bag. I thought that it's a little bit more durable, so yeah, I don't feel so guilty anymore. Anyway, this is a dust bag and this is the care instructions, just like every bag has, and the cleaning cloth to clean it. I can't believe this is my bag. It's so cute. I never had square mini in my collection before. So this is the bag. It's so beautiful. I adore it. This is the back up close. The color is so vibrant. I love this pocket at the back. Let me show you how it looks inside. It's a single flap. I still have some stuffing in the back, which I will remove. I keep the authenticity card in here, and I won't show the number, but it's 27 series. If you are unboxing your bags, never reveal your card number because you don't know who is watching. There is another sticker. By the way, this is how the bag looks on me. I like that the strap is not as long as the strap for the rectangular mini. I actually find the rectangular mini is more suitable to wear crossbody, but I usually wear my bags on my shoulders, so I think square mini is a better choice for me. I love this bag. It's so beautiful. I love that it's in Chevron. I was very hesitant about the other blue that came in a cruise collection as well. That bag was still available. I was very surprised that it wasn't sold out, but I'm quite happy with this blue. And I have another blue bag. The color is very vibrant. I don't know if it's going to show the true color of this bag, but it's bright blue. And it has a pocket. It's in caviar. It's so shiny. A single flap as well. I have some items inside I won't show, but it has a strap, but I just carry this strap like that because I like this look. It's so pretty. It's not as dark. I was wearing this bag in Taiwan almost every day. Say was recommending to me to go for a dark blue color that was in cruise collection, but I love this one. I wanted to have something different, and I noticed that this bag looks perfect with jeans. It's amazing. A blue color like that is classic, and I will always love it. It's not gonna go out of style. I highly recommend this bag. Before purchasing this bag, I watched quite a few videos where people were saying that their iPhone XS or iPhone Plus doesn't fit in there, and I was very hesitant. Actually, when I saw the blue and the pink from the La Pausa collection that went out, I think in December, and I noticed that I couldn't fit in my phone here unless I would put it sideways. I cannot actually demonstrate because I'm recording with my phone. I was quite worried that I wouldn't be able to fit in my phone here, but it fits just fine. I'm very pleased with it. It's really amazing. And I'm gonna do a comparison video of what can fit in a medium flap, yes, medium flap, small, and a square mini. And you will see that this size is amazing. I'm very pleased that a lot can fit in. I'm very surprised. So let me show you how I store this bag. I would put the paper inside because it helps to maintain the shape. I was given 2 pieces of fabrics with it, and I would put one in here like that. This strap can imprint in here and there is nothing that you can do to fix it. So I would put this fabric over here, just like that. That's how I store it. Sometimes I put my bags in the dust bags, sometimes I don't, because I would store this box as well. Actually, you know, before I started watching YouTube, I never used to keep all the boxes, and now I have all these LV bags that I want to sell. I want to get rid of them, and I don't have boxes. I don't even know where I put the dust bags, but now I know, and I keep the receipts of these bags every time. I will use it for a while and create a review video of how often I use it, what can fit in a bag. I'm so pleased with how much can fit in this bag. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you liked it. Do let me know if you have any questions about the bag. It's so pretty. I personally adore it. And if you like my content, do subscribe to my channel for more Chanel updates or for other luxury goods updates or travel videos. And do feel free to subscribe to my Instagram channel as well and reach out to me there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!